This isn't just a classic truck. This is what happens when old-school muscle meets modern power. A 1967 C10, rebuilt, refined, and ready to move. This is a 1967 C10, and it's been completely reimagined. First thing that hits you? That color. Deep red metallic, rich, glossy, and impossible to ignore from any angle. Watch how the light moves across the body. Every curve, every line. It just pops. And those lines? Pure, timeless Chevrolet design. But now it sits lower, wider, meaner. This truck doesn't just park, it commands attention. Look at the stance, tucked just right, aggressive, but clean. Then your eyes drop to the wheels. 20-inch American racing classics. Simple, bold, perfect fit. They don't just complete the look, they give this truck identity. Front to back, everything flows. No clutter, no distractions. Just a perfect balance of classic and modern. This isn't a restoration. This is a transformation. A 67 C10, built to be seen and remembered. Interior. Step inside, and this is where classic meets comfort. The TMI upholstery transforms the cabin. Modern materials, clean stitching, and a fit that feels built, not restored. It's still got that vintage soul. But now, it's a place you actually want to spend time in. Under the hood is where things really change. Gone is the old school setup, and in its place, a 5.3-liter V8. Reliable, responsive, and built to be driven. This isn't just about horsepower. It's about bringing this classic into the modern era. Test drive. Out on the road, this C10 feels nothing like 1967. The power delivery is smooth, the ride is composed, and the sound just enough to remind you what's under the hood. This is what a Restomod should be. Classic style, with everyday drivability. This isn't just a truck. It's a statement, a machine that carries history, but refuses to stay in the past. Perfect balance of old school soul and modern performance. Every line, every detail, built with purpose. It looks classic, but it moves like something brand new. This isn't about restoration. This is evolution. The 1967 C10, reimagined, refined, and built to be driven. Respect the past, or get left behind.